Hi there, students. A restraining order. Okay, a restraining order. This is most commonly used as a legal document or a legal decision, meaning that somebody can't go near somebody else. It's to stop somebody from coming into contact or in close proximity to the party who is protected by this restraining order. It's a court order, particularly in situations of alleged domestic violence or child abuse or stalking or harassment as well. And a restraining order says you can't go within 500 meters of this person, and you've got to stay away from their home or their school, and you are not allowed to contact them. And you're not allowed to contact them, whether it could be by telephone, by mail, by email, using social media, delivering flowers. Okay, this is would be a no contact provision. Okay, and this is the idea of a restraining order. Now, more generally, a restraining order is a preliminary legal document that stops somebody from doing something until a judge has made a decision about it. So, I don't know, for example, a sale, the sale of something, and this is something that is contested. A restraining order would be an order to temporarily stop the sale from going through until a judge had actually made a decision on this. Or, for example, the court issued a restraining order prohibiting the sale of alcohol at this place until a judge had made a decision about it. So it's usually a restraining order is just keeping somebody away, that you're not allowed to come near this person, you're not allowed to come in contact with them. But it can be more general than that. Okay, so it's like an injunction to stop somebody from doing something until a decision is made. She took out a restraining order against her ex-husband. This person has been stalking me, and I need to take out a restraining order. Or the husband obtained a restraining order forbidding his partner from seeing the children. Okay, so it's a temporary court order to prevent somebody from doing something, but particularly from going near to or approaching a person. Yeah, and this is going to be in place until a judge actually makes a decision about it, until a full court case has been held. So this is issued by a civil court, very often to a potential abuser, to keep away from this person, or somebody a stalker, or an abusive partner, or somebody who is violent. Yeah, it obtains, it restricts individuals from effectively committing further abuse. Unfortunately, very often this is used as part of as a tactic in divorce proceedings to get a to get a negotiating an advantage in a negotiation. But normally as well, it's reasonably easy to get a restraining order, because let's see, if a judge gives a restraining order, then the worst that can happen is the person who this affects goes to court and he gets it lifted, or they get it lifted. Whereas if the judge doesn't give a restraining order and somebody gets hurt, then the judge will be in trouble, and that's perhaps part of the point with it. So anyway, a restraining order, formality, this is a legal term. I'm going to give it a 6.5 out of informality, but use it anywhere. So a restraining order.